Hey guys, Paul Dexter here. Boy, we have got a lot of information to cover in this update, so I'm going to start blasting right through it. Buckle up. First off is our Jetbuilt User Summit, Washington, D.C., November 10th and 11th. We are really excited about this. You guys asked for this for several years, and then it was 2020. Yeah, 2020 was our first one in Dallas-Fort Worth area, and then we moved to Florida last year, and now we're going to Washington, D.C. For 2 days of great Jetbuilt conversation. Many of you have already began to register. We announced this about a month ago, but for those of you who are not aware, we are excited to get together with as many of you guys who like to show up, and we talk about the big Jetbuilt questions, things where we're going, hear your ideas of where you'd like us to go, but beyond that, have you guys share with each other workflows and tricks that you're finding within Jetbuilt. It's going to be a really great time of deep diving into Jetbuilt in Washington, D.C. in November. So get registered for that. Here's some information. Next up is our engineering update. It was maybe 9 or 10 months ago we launched Engineering Scrub, where you can force your projects through an engineering process where an engineer scrubs item by item, swapping out a TV that may be out of date, swapping out a processor that may not be compatible with the project, or a baling or a cable or whatever it may be. So engineers can approve each item, all the while watching their over-under to make sure they're kind of maintaining the same costs as what was estimated in the project and the budget you're looking to achieve. Then we launched GEL, Jetbuilt Engineering Lab, for drawings that you need for your project can be handled through Jetbuilt inside the platform. So today we're launching another component of the engineering workflow, and that is technical data fields. So now enterprise users within the Mega Builder can turn on these various data columns and see other information, technical information about your items. These fields are there today. You can use them today. Fantastic, easy way to see, room by room or rack by rack what the BTU might be, even the weight of things like speakers, projectors, video walls, how that affects a wall or a ceiling structure. So dig into that and enjoy that. Okay, a couple of updates to our service module. We launched service module back in the spring. I think it was early spring. And many of you have begun to use the service module to track all your service workflow. We've added a few new things. One are the automated emails that go out as a service case is initiated, and then when the case is scheduled, and then when the case is closed and so forth, the end user can receive these various emails. And associated with that is email sync. We've now enabled you to sync your email account into service the same way you can with Funnel. And that means as you write emails to the end user back and forth, they will show up in the timeline of the case. So dig into that for those of you using service. And if you're not, just reach out to support to give you some evaluation time and show you how service works. So I guess that's it for me. Obviously, it's the summit we're most excited about. So dig into that if you want to get registered. Also, these technical data fields within the builder. It's a huge thing for Jetbuilt to continue helping you solve more of the engineering process in your company. So with that, I guess I bid you farewell. Until next time, this is Paul Dexter signing off.